past 3 years, selling print on demand generated my business over $300,000. In my first year of selling with print on demand back in 2022, I made $204,000. So if you're a 9-to-5 or a stay-at-home mom who wants to make extra income without the inventory, this video is for you. In this video, I want to be as transparent as possible with my print on demand shop. And this is for the month of July 2025. So let's go ahead and get into it. I had 3,135 visits, 108 orders. My conversion rate was 3.4%, and my revenue was $2,392.11. And this is how the shoppers found me. 66% found me through the Etsy app and other Etsy pages. 71% found me through Etsy search. 22% found me through Etsy marketing and SEO. 48% found me through direct and other traffic sources. And 55% found me through social media. And I do not use Etsy ads at all. This is all from 100% organic traffic. I don't pay for Etsy ads. So now we're gonna go ahead and break all this down so that way you know the exact profit, all of that meat and potatoes, all the good stuff. Here's an overview of my print on demand shop for the month of July. And this is the total revenue and profit breakdown. So the total revenue and profit breakdown, the revenue I made $2,392.11 for the whole month. Now, Printify costs were $1,808, and my Etsy fees came out to be $227.70. And my net profit after that was $356.41. That doesn't seem like much, and it isn't much. And I will tell you exactly why later on in the video. So what sold the best for me and why? A design that included a trendy graphic paired with an emotional connecting saying or phrase. This is very important, at least for my designs that I create. I see these convert much better versus say this was just an apple with no text on it at all. That wouldn't sell as great as this one, or with this one has Celebrate Minds of All Kind. That connects more with a teacher. So for example, if this show was just to be a flower heart, it wouldn't sell as great as this one once a saying is plugged in, such as Celebrate Minds of All Kinds. And then you have this one right here with all of the elements. Both of these I believe are targeting teachers, but you have different teacher related icons or elements around the saying, and the saying is helping little minds grow, and that connects with teachers, 1st grade, 5th grade, all the different grades, even the staff of the school that could connect with them as well. But these type of designs sell way much better, have a higher conversion rate versus just having a plain graphic on the shirt. And this is just a little deeper on the why the target audience could relate and have a deeper connection to what the design said. And also trending color shirt. That is also important, and that is another thing that contributed to my sales. What I did differently this month. Like I said, I'm gonna be completely transparent with you guys. And honestly, I wasn't very active in my print on demand shop for the month of June and July. And the reason why is because I focused more on my in-house t-shirt shop that I have on Etsy, because I enjoy fulfilling orders myself. So this one kind of took the back burner. I'm just be honest, I didn't upload anything. I just handled the customer service and kept it moving and focused on my other shop just to fulfill the orders in-house, because I don't know, I just enjoy doing that much more than having somebody else fulfill. That's just a personal thing. So anyways, this had a huge negative impact on my print on demand shop because there was little to no activity on my part. And if you know, Etsy really rewards shops that are very active, that are listing. Yes, I was doing customer service, but that wasn't enough. You know, I needed to be adding new listings, updating listings, things of that sort to, you know, keep that momentum going in my shop, and I wasn't doing that. So that led to not having as much sales as I could have had. And the lessons that I learned for the next month, which we're in now, is to study what's trending on a daily, or at least every other day. I do that already, but I'm going to continue to do that. And increase my prices by $3 to $4 to raise my profit margin, and add a new print on demand product with a higher profit margin. I'm really thinking about that. I've been eyeing the tumblers, and I may add that to my t-shirts. And here here is a visual for all my visual people out there. So the left chart is supposed to say, if I leave everything the same, this is how it would be. And I would have only a 14.9% profit margin, which is not good at all. I might as well be selling digital products for $3.30 because that's the only profit that I would be getting from that if I left all my prices, my current prices in my shop, the same. Now, if I were to increase my shirt price by at least $2, my profit margin would increase to 21.5%. And I will have a larger net profit just by increasing it by $2. And the profit per order, or say per shirt, would be $5.15. And I'm gonna be honest, that's still not enough for me. So I may increase realistically up to $3 to $4 with my shirts. And right now, my shop, for all of those who are curious, I currently offer the Bella Canvas t-shirt, 3001 CVC. And then I also offer the Comfort Colors 1717. Now the Comfort Colors are much more, and I do pay for the Printify Premium, which is $29 a month currently. And that helps. I believe you get a 14% discount on their shirts and the service that you get. Yes, I would definitely probably increase my shirts at least $3 to $4 to make it worth my time. And I really need to start being more active in my shop. And for all of those who are wondering how long it took to see consistent results within my print-on-demand shop, like I said before, I started my print-on-demand shop in 2022. And honestly, it took a month for me. And keep in mind, before my print-on-demand shop, I was already running a in-house t-shirt shop. So I already knew a good amount about how Etsy's algorithm worked. So basically I had somewhat of an advantage before I started the print-on-demand. The only difference was I was not fulfilling the orders myself. But disclosure, this can depend on your niche, the demand, and the trend knowledge. Okay, so definitely keep that in mind. Everyone's shop is not built equally. And if you're interested in selling t-shirts yourself, you're not sure if you want to do in-house or you want to do print on demand, definitely check out my free guide. Link is below, and comment below any questions you may have about starting and or running your own print on demand t-shirt shop on Etsy. Or maybe you don't want to do t-shirts, maybe you want to do mugs or something like that. List all your comments down below or questions down below, and I'll be sure to answer them. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope you enjoy.